Testing. 1 million, 2 million, 3, okay. Testing. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. That's working. Okay. Testing. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Well, you can always hear that anyway.
What's up, guys? Hey, it's Legend. Thanks for the support. I'm a single dad just trying to make it on YouTube. Honestly, I just want to help people. Subscribing to the channel and all these comments and have really mean a lot. Like when I sit at home all day and I'm taking care of kids and the kids are screaming and I get really good comments or subs, I just want to say thank you for the support. I want to make a video about Bitcoin because I think some people are confused about how Bitcoin works, but what if I told you that Bitcoin doesn't move by itself, that the stock market moves it? Yeah, the stock market moves Bitcoin. Let me just show you. If you don't agree or whatever, I understand. Let me show you something. So down here, this is the start of the new year, 2023, right? So down here, 2023, we started, right? So Bitcoin went from 16,000 and now we're at 29,000, right? So look at this channel. So this is a channel. This isn't me just drawing lines. These are programmed. So this is the new channel that I started, right? Now let me switch to the SP 500. So here's the SP 500. So here's the start of the new year. Here's the push up, and here's us trading sideways. So yes, this is going down, but it's not just the SP 500 that most people probably say. It's actually the NAS and the triple Qs. Let me switch to the triple Qs chart and tell me that it doesn't look similar. So here's the triple Qs, right? Okay, so here's the start of the beginning of the year right here. And here's the rally, and here's Bitcoin trading sideways. We're at the very top resistance line of Bitcoin. We've been trading sideways from, I mean, you can look at the same date from in the triple Qs. We've been trading sideways from the 21st. We've been trading sideways from Bitcoin around the 21st of March. We've been going sideways. That's where Bitcoin gets its movement. It gets its movement from these tech stocks. It's mostly like part of the tech sector. Oh, and by the way, not financial advice. Gotta say that because YouTube, this is only for educational purposes only. But I just wanted to go over this because I think most people don't understand how Bitcoin works. You know, they're like, oh, 50K, 60K. Well, let me tell you something. The market is not going any higher. You can disagree with me, that's fine. But, you know, we had this incredible big drop, right? I don't see Bitcoin going any higher for a while because I honestly think the SP 500 is going to drop to 3,200. Now, if that happens, you know, that's pushing Bitcoin around, you know, probably if we get a drop, I would probably guess around maybe 11, 13,000. You know, the reason why I say that is because if you look at the curve or the trend line, okay, so if I go to SP 500, trend line, so we take this leg down in the SP 500, and NAS also will take a leg down, so 9,000, and then on the triple Qs we'll take a leg down probably to 244, and then Bitcoin will take a leg down. So that's where you can kind of guess where Bitcoin is going. Now let me tell you something. Don't miss this life opportunity. You know, if this doesn't happen, that's fine. You know, that's just how it goes. But if the SP 500 does drop to 3,200, I'm telling you, you're going to get probably the biggest lifetime opportunity to buy Bitcoin. You know, buying it at 10K, that's amazing. But let me show you something that most people don't know. You know, it's not about Bitcoin and crypto coins and stuff like that. There's actually mining companies that are stocks like called Mara, Riot, or, you know, there's like 6 or 7 of them. My favorite is Mara. Let me show you this, okay? So this right here, November 19th, 2021, we were right here, okay? So if I go to Bitcoin, At the high, this was November 15th, 2021, right here. This is the start of the bear market. So if I go to Mara, right? So right here, at this peak, this was November 15th. So you got the SP 500, sorry, you got it on November 19th, 2021. You got Bitcoin's high on November 15th, 2021. And then you got Mara's high on 15th, 2021. You see how they're kind of correlated? And that's what most YouTubers won't talk about, and it makes me mad. That's why I even started YouTube, was just to hush these fake gaslight YouTubers that tell you, oh, Bitcoin's gonna go to $1 million, bro. You know what it would take for Bitcoin to go to $1 million? We're talking about the SP 500 going to like probably 8,000, 10,000 before it hits $1 million. Bitcoin is run off by the stock market. Stop following news articles. Stop reading what your friend tells you in text messages. Stop going to the bar and talking about your buddies and saying, oh, Bitcoin's going to go to $2 million next year. It comes down to the stock market. You can agree, disagree, I don't care. Charts don't lie. Dates don't lie. Numbers don't lie. But listen, if Bitcoin does drop to, 10,000, you're going to have Mara go to probably $2. You're going to get a life opportunity. Look what it was at when Bitcoin was at its all-time high. $85, $82. So if you buy this at $2 and you wait until Bitcoin goes back up to 70,000, which will only take this to happen, to get $70,000 back in Bitcoin, you just need to hit this high. So if we drop in the market, we bounce to the top, we come to the same high, same thing in the NAS, we come to the same high right across, same thing in the triple Qs, we bounce, we go to the same high, you're going to have Mara hit $85 again, $2 from $85. Think about it, a 4,800% gain in shares. That's what I'm making this YouTube for, and I just want to say thank you for the support, because honestly, I wouldn't do this if I didn't have a community around this. So the Discord that I own, the link is in the description. We're like a family, and I look out for my family. I want to see someone's life change off of this just because they watched this 10-minute video. Now you understand how Bitcoin works. Let me break it down to you like in like a 30-minute time frame so you can kind of get the bigger picture, because I know your friend that you probably told this to is like, no way, man. Okay, look at the triple Qs, okay? I'm going to flip to Bitcoin. Triple Qs, Bitcoin. Triple Qs, Bitcoin. The start of the rally, 04 January 2023. The triple Q started the rally. 05, 04, 2023 January. This peak at the resistance line. And these are programmed, channels, like this high, the support and resistance. This isn't me drawing random lines. This is what TradingView is for. It does it for you. Okay, so if I go to Bitcoin, right here at the resistance line, this is the triple Qs. If I go to Bitcoin, what do you know? We've been hitting this. Now let's go into let's just go into it deeper, right? Because I know there's still probably people like, oh no, that's not how it works. Okay, well let me go to this date. So this is when we had that big rally, right? Here's that big dip. So look for this big dip. March 10th, right? I'll go to the triple Qs. Oh my gosh, look, there's a big dip. What date is it? Oh, March 10th. That's crazy. it just blows my mind that people will sit there and argue with, online and just say, this is not how it works. This is how it works. Now you have proof. Now you have charts. If you want to join the Discord, it's absolutely a link. Thanks for subbing the channel. It's Naz. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support.